Students at Heritage Middle School are getting real hands-on experience in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and math.
You got to figure out distance-wise from this edge where we want it to be, okay?
That's because they're part of the school's new robotics club.
We've been meeting about 3 days a week, about 2 hours, since September 17th.
Jessica Brown is the club's sponsor and says she's been impressed with what she's seen so far.
Lately, we've been having about between 15 and 20 solid kids staying every day, working, giving 100%. So I'm ready to see what they're going to come up with.
The club is preparing for a robotics competition where they're given 42 days to build a robot from scratch.
They gave us some little controllers, and they have to write a computer program to make the robot move. They basically build it from a piece of wood and some PVC pipe.
The club is divided into different teams, some of which are led by parent volunteers. There's the building team.
And I'll put a little servo motor there, and as it turns, it'll pull this in or slide it out.
The programming team.
This will turn, and after it's connected by Wi-Fi, and a whole bunch of other stuff will plug into here, and it'll all turn and do. This will control the robot completely.
And the design team, to name a few.
This is going to be our arm. This is what we're planning to do with our arm. So one arm opens up like that.
There's also a booth team that documents the entire process.
I am in charge of the notebook, and I have to do a 30-page notebook on what they're doing and how they're building it and their design strategies and brainstorms.
By being part of the club, the students not only learn important problem solving and critical thinking skills, but they're also learning a lot about teamwork.
You got to have a lot of patience for the other team members to say their ideas before you say yours. Because some people, and I'm kind of one of these people, like to say their ideas first, and you got to learn to not.
The club even has some of the students thinking about life after college.
I've always loved to work with my hands, and I like working with other people. And programming and engineering has always been something I want to do as a profession.
I want to be an engineer when I grow up, so I think this will help me to understand what it's like when I try and go off into college and be an engineer.
Meanwhile, teachers say it's exciting to see just how passionate the students are about learning.
I guess I just want them to take away hard work and work effort. So hopefully we're just kind of fostering something that'll help them later on.